Magic Bean Healthy Pot come with China plug and free 1 full copper adapter. This is the cover. 600 ml capacity glass. Here is the water level maximum guideline. Stainless steel heating base. Touchscreen control panel. Now is ready mode. Function have 1 until 6. When you are ready, choose 3 seconds start working. And here, this is the function. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Number 1 is 50 minutes. Number 2 is 60 minutes. Number 3 is 55 minutes. Number 4 is 95 minutes. Number 8 is 80 minutes. Number 6 is 8 hour working time. This one is the keep warm. If you choose number 6, three seconds start, keep warm. Keep warm will show BB. BB is keep warm.